Okay, next. Number 5. Contest price expense. Okay? Year 1. In year 1 P&L. So here's the background. An entity offered a contest in which the winner would receive 1 million. So parang ang pa-contest yan. Who wants to be a millionaire? Ayan. Kaya lang may catch. Payable over 20 years. Ayan. So kaya siguro ang title ng pa-contest, Who wants to be an installment millionaire? Ayan. Millionaire ka after over 20 years. So basically ano to, long term, 20 years. Tapos non-interest bearing. So dapat naka-present value yan. So na-announce na yung winner on December 31, year 1. So incurred na yung contest price expense na yan. So dapat i-recognize na yan. So the entity announced the winner of the contest and signed a note payable to the winner for 1 million. So payable in 50,000 installments every January 2. Yung first payment made on January 2, year 2. So yung first payment, that's already the present value. So after that, meron pang 19 payments. So may balance pang 950. Okay? So the entity purchased an annuity. Okay? So for 418,250. So to provide yung balance na 950. So yan na yung present value of the remaining payments. Okay? So present value of the remaining payments, yung amount paid to buy the annuity. So yung initial payment, yan na yung present value. So yung 418,250, ito naman yung present value of the remaining payments. So total, that's the contest price expense. So dahil nga installment yan, non-interest bearing, dapat naka-present value. So number 5, letter C. And the entry, okay, highlight natin yung accounting. Entry on the date of announcing the winner. Okay, so debit, contest price or promotional expense at present value. Credit, note payable, 1 million. So yung difference between 1 million face value and yung present value, discount. At yung discount na yan, i-amortize yan over 20 years as interest expense. So ang concept dyan, yung 1 million, hindi lahat yung contest price expense. Yung present value lang, yung contest price expense. The rest, interest na. At yung interest, i-recognize using effective interest method over 20 years. Okay, next.